Hello everyone, this is Professor Garishma Gangude. Welcome you all in the video series of estimating and costing. We are going to start Unit 4, name rate analysis. Okay, so let's start rate analysis. So first discuss the content of the unit. Remember, this will be asked for 12 marks. Teaching hours allotted for this unit is 8 hours. In this unit, we have to we have to study definition, purpose, importance, and factors affecting rate analysis. Then lead, lift, overhead charges, water charges, contractor's profit. These are some terminologies related to the rate analysis that we are also going to discuss. Now, next will be procedure of the rate analysis. That what are the procedures? Another will be next will be task work definitions, factor affecting on task work, types, different tasks of different skill labors for different items of work. Okay, these are the some topics that we are also going to discuss in this unit. Categories of labor, their daily wages. What are the categories of labor which will be used in construction site? What are their wages as per basis? Okay, daily or weekly or what, that we are going to learn. Then types of labors, number of labor for different item of first means for the particular construction work or for the particular component. How much number of labor will be required? Okay, that we are going to see in rate analysis. Then load carrying capacity of different types of vehicles, transportation of materials, and their higher charges. Means what are the different vehicles we are used in construction purpose to transport the materials, raw materials like steel, cement, sand. What are their hiring charges? Or is it will be it will be kilometer basis or hourly basis or daily basis? Okay, that are also we are going to discuss in our this unit. Afterwards, preparing rate analysis of different item of work like PCC, RCC work for column, beam, lintel, slab, brick masonry, stone masonry, vitrified tile coding and plastering. For all these components, we are going to do the rate analysis of the all the items. Okay. So this is your introduction of the fourth unit. So are you ready to do the rate analysis? Let's start with the main topic, introduction. Rate analysis is the term which is deal with the determination of rates for the execution of an item of work, and rates of item are required to fill the tender form to judge the actual amount of money required for material and labor for the particular item. Remember, so this chapter deal with the calculations of materials and labor for the different items. Okay, to calculate the different items and labors, we have to do rate analysis. So rate analysis must in every civil engineer's life. Rate analysis of general civil engineering items are explained in, we can explain in table format also. Okay, so let's discuss some topics regarding this chapter. This chapter is actually deals with the rates of material, labor, lead charges, lift charges, transportation charges. Then what are the materials required for the construction? Okay, that we are going to see in tabular format. Then we are going to do complete analysis of some item of works. Okay, then procedure of the rate analysis for the particular item of work, task work, etc. So to define the rate analysis, I can say that it is the method of determining the rate of an item of work from the cost of material, cost of labor, higher charges of tools and plants, that we can say T and P, and other miscellaneous petty expenses. A reasonable profit of 10% of the contractors is included in the rate analysis, and the rates of the material should be include original cost, cost of transportation, taxes, etc. Remember this. If the material are to be carried within a radius of 5 km, the transportation charges are not included. But if the distance is more than 5 km, then the cost of transportation is added separately. So why it is important. If you are doing any construction work and you need some material to the owner or the customer you are charged something X rupees for that particular material. But after you find that X is the only the original cost of the material, but I need more money for the transportation for that particular material from the supplier to the construction site. Taxes will be different. So who will pay all the charges? So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to proper rate analysis of each material, including its original cost, including cost of transportation, and including all the taxes. The total cost will be added. Okay, so this is your rate analysis. So purpose and importance. The rate analysis of an item is necessary to know the rates of various items and to prepare the estimate. Most important thing is to prepare the estimate. As we know, for the every construction work we have to prepare the detail estimate, and to prepare the detail estimate we must know the rate of the each item of the each item of the work, okay, the rate of the labor, the rate of these transportation. So all these quantities and rates we should know. So for that we have to do rate analysis. Then to find the actual cost per unit of item. If we are constructing tall building and if anyone asks me only for the concrete how much it costs, then how we can say. But if we have done the rate analysis, uh, we can uh, we can say dash rupees is required for the concrete immediately, okay, without doing anything, because we have already done the rate analysis for that particular building structure, okay. Now we can say to economical use of materials and economize the process of construction. That is, if you are feeling that this is a more cost for the particular construction, so we can economize the some material cost, like we can use some cheaper material rather than that a particular quantity. So we can economize the process of ultimately economize the process of construction. To determine the rate of extra item, for preparing supplementary estimates, to check the reliability of rates in the tender quoted by the contractor. Okay, so all these are the importance and purposes of the rate analysis. Okay, what is happened when we prepare detailed estimate and after years that work is still continuing and we have to do another work, or may rates get higher than previous year, so we have to prepare again supplementary estimate, and for that we require rate analysis, to check the reliability of the rates that will be quoted in tender by the contractor, that we have to check. So we require rate analysis, and for that we need DSR. Always remember this for the government contract tenders. Okay, we should use DSR only. DSR is stand for district schedule rates that we have discussed in our previous unit. Okay, DSR is completely for the rate analysis and estimating, in which all the cost and rates of the particular quantity is given as per the region. For example, Nasik region, Pune region, Mumbai region. Okay, for all the different regions there will be a different DSR, so that we can use to check the reliability of rates by the rate analysis. Okay, these are the purpose and importance of rate analysis. Okay, in next lecture we are going to discuss factors affecting on rate analysis. If you have any doubt regarding rate analysis, concept, definition, purpose and importance, you can ask in directly comment section. We will see you in your next video. Thank you so much.